Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear car drivers who want to handle emergencies more safely and confidently, tuning in. Learning proper emergency braking techniques helps you react correctly and reduce the risk of serious collisions. Here's something helpful for you: Emergency Braking Guide for Car Drivers from Youthbuddy. Emergency braking means stopping your vehicle quickly and safely when sudden danger appears, such as a pedestrian, another vehicle, an animal, or an unexpected obstacle. Successful emergency braking is not only about pressing the brake hard. It also depends on awareness, reaction time, steering control, tire grip, and staying calm. Keep both hands on the steering wheel, apply firm brake pressure, stay calm, and prepare to steer only if stopping alone cannot avoid the danger. Reaction time is the short delay between noticing danger and pressing the brake. Every second matters during an emergency. Distractions such as mobile phones, tiredness, stress, alcohol, following too closely, and excessive speed can increase reaction time and reduce braking safety. If your car has an anti-lock braking system or ABS, press the brake pedal firmly, keep steady pressure, and continue steering smoothly if required. Do not pump the brake pedal in an ABS-equipped vehicle. Pedal vibration is normal and shows the system is working correctly. In vehicles without ABS, brake firmly while avoiding wheel lock. If the tires begin to skid, reduce brake pressure slightly and apply it smoothly again. Keep the steering as straight as possible during heavy braking and always look towards the safe path instead of focusing on the obstacle. Road conditions greatly affect braking performance. Wet roads, gravel, downhill slopes, and curves all require lower speeds and earlier braking. Brake before entering curves, use lower gears on steep downhill roads, and avoid sudden steering movements on slippery surfaces. Avoid common mistakes such as pressing the clutch too early, pumping ABS brakes, staring at the obstacle, or driving too close to the vehicle ahead. Practice emergency braking only in a safe, empty, and controlled area. Start at low speeds to understand your vehicle's braking response, tire grip, and stopping distance. Start practicing at low speeds and gradually build confidence without attempting risky maneuvers on public roads. Effective emergency braking also depends on proper vehicle maintenance. Regularly inspect tires, brake pads, brake fluid, and brake lights to keep your vehicle road ready. After an emergency stop, check your mirrors, remain aware of surrounding traffic, and switch on your hazard lights if your vehicle creates a danger. Remember, emergency braking is your last line of defense. Safe speed, proper distance, and constant awareness are your first. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the general section on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.